Assalamu alaikum. I am M.A Barik Rashid. So welcome to my today's video, and today is the first Ramadan and this is our first Shehri. So suhoor, what you can say. Like the thing is that I'd like to take a challenge to upload a single video every day in this full Ramadan month. Yeah, it's a holy month and I would like to try to make videos, as also we are getting much free time to create some videos. So I'll just try to make some videos and upload it on different kind of groups or on pages or in YouTube channels. Okay, so yeah, I need your support. If you just give me some inspiration, yes, you can make videos, then I will just try to create it. And also you can just suggest me some topics on which I'll just make my next videos. Okay, so suggest me some topics. Okay, so tomorrow is Friday, right? And Friday is the holiday among the whole 7 days in a week. So yeah, I think it's great that, or it's a great opportunity for us that the Ramadan month has been started, or the first Ramadan is just going to start it with Friday. Okay, so yeah, it's actually great for us. And what's your tomorrow's planning and what we will do tomorrow? You can just share it on the comment section. And yes, please suggest me some topics on which I can create my videos, my next videos. And yeah, if you just like my video or just anything you want to say, you can just say it in comment section, or yeah, suggest me some topics. So thank you for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum and Allah Hafiz.